Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Most likely if you are seeing this video right now, it will be next week sometime. I am filming it today, Friday. Anyways, I'm gonna do some painty papers. My goal is to make painty paper backgrounds and then do doodling on top of the acrylic paint. So it's just gonna be a relaxed, don't know what's gonna happen kind of video. Play around with paint. I'm gonna be using acrylic paint and then different size brushes. So let's just see what happens. With these backgrounds, you can do everything journally with them, or even other art stuff. You can make journal cards, have it be a background, tear it up in collage. Kind of want this to butt up against it, but we'll see if it works without mixing it. I don't even know why I'm going squiggly. I wonder if I can straighten it out. Yeah. Okay. That's okay. Oh, I kind of like that it blended a little bit like that. So let me show you my inspiration for this. It's this piece of paper. I think I'll do different doodles and use some of these, but I just thought it'd be fun to just doodle with some paint. And then the background I have, which is this craft paper. I just got a big roll of it at the Dollar Tree. It's awesome. When it gets paint on it and it gets real painty, I use it as journal covers. So that's just a tip of how, or one way I make my journal covers. But, oops, I got paint on my hand. That didn't take long. Let's see. What color do I want to do next? How about some black? Oops, I got green on there. Sorry. Oh, oops. So you can fast forward in this video to, parts that you like. I don't know where it's gonna go, but I'm just experimenting. I'm gonna try out this neon black light pink. That's a different one. That pink is a Liquitex fluorescent pink. It's basically my go-to pink. I'm on my second tube. I love it. I use it all the time. I didn't get this pink for any reason other than I was waiting for my tires to get done today and oil change. And it gave me something to do. Go in the art section at Walmart. But anyway, I don't like this brush so far. It's real rigid. Let's see. Yeah, this brush isn't gonna work. I'm gonna use this big brush. I only grabbed one, I don't know, you'll see, 7 or 8 colors. I have probably 300, honestly. I've collected them from different, very cheap, from craft hauls. But I just am trying to not bring everything what is this hair? Everything I own into my house, because all my paints are in the garage. I think I have enough colors right now to do marks, to make my marks. Let's see. I'm gonna go back to yellow. But I'm gonna try not to hit that blue. Alright. Maybe go back to this. Oops. Dang it. Always something. Go back to this green. I gotta fix that a little bit. Okay, let's see. What color is up next? I love neon pink, so I'm doing more neon pink. Oops. It's not wanting to. I actually want to fill this in up here. It's kind of, I didn't really want it to be wavy. All right. Finish it off with, oh, let's see. Oops. All right, I'll let that one dry. All right, so this one, just kind of wing it. Let's see, I kind of want to do something like, I always reach for yellow and pink at the same time. I need some more big brushes, so let's see. I'm just gonna try it out and see if what I'm thinking. I didn't want those to mix really. That's all right. Let's see. So what I'm gonna have to do what I have in mind, I think, is I'm gonna have to do one color first. Or not one color, but a base coat, and then come back to it when it dries. Because I want to layer. So. Do you know what I mean? I don't know what it's going to look like. I just wanted to try it out. Okay, let's see. Oops, I know that one got a little green on it, but that's okay, really. My brushes are kind of mixing into what I got going on. It's art for you. All right, I think I'm gonna do, actually, I'm gonna do some green. Get some green down. It's so much fun just to play with paints. I always like to make sure I hit the edges. So if I were to cut this up and use it as like collage or journal card, the edges, you know, look like they're a part of what was going on. So they're included. Sometimes I'll even just do like a little bit up on the, you know. All right. I think that's enough for now. I have to let it dry so I can layer on there. I'll end up saving this card too, because it'll just be useful. I can use it as a background for something. Let's see here. All right, I gotta get some more blue because my blue got mixed somehow. Actually, you guys, you know what I want to do? This is what I want to do. Are you ready? Can you guess what I'm going to do? I just want to do this. I just want to make a really fun, messy page. And I think it's going to look awesome. Oh, yeah, I love it. And it's going to make my background get a bunch of paint on it, which I love. That was so, like, so much fun to do. And this looks awesome. I got to blot up some of that, spread some of that pink out. Because I don't want it raised on here. But what I'm going to do, because I want more color, I'm going to add some, oops, oopsie. All right, well, I didn't want that much yellow, but, all right. What a technique, huh? Look at that, though. Oh my God, I love it. This side doesn't have enough paint on it, though. I try to get some more on this. This would be an awesome piece to add in the journal, whether it's the whole thing or probably cut up, but. All right, let's see here. What color do I want to add a little more of? Ooh, I haven't used this green. I'll add a little bit of this green. Hopefully I don't regret it. I just feel like it needs a little more. Ooh, I know what I'm going to do. Ooh, I just thought of it. I'm going to add gold to it. All right, that was fun. Okay, so now I'm going to, I need a little brush. This is gold mica. I'm gonna use this brush. And do some splatters. You won't be able to see it probably on camera right away, but I'll show you guys what these look like when it's dry with the gold. The gold looks awesome. It just gives it like the perfect little bit of sheer, I don't know, sparkle. Like I can't even see if I've covered the area. I think I got enough on there. Sometimes I take this brush and just kind of swipe it across, you know, just use up what's on my brush. Because why not? Ooh, that's gonna be fun. I can probably, set it down. Ooh, if you set it down like that, makes neat marks. All right, how fun. All right, guys, that was enough painting for me for right this minute. I'll have to come back, let these dry, and show you some doodles on those other two. So I'll be back once those are ready. Bye.